Can microfiber cloths be reused after cleaning showers? Yes, and with the right care, they will stay effective for many uses. Microfiber is made of ultrafine synthetic fibers that trap dirt and moisture through electrostatic attraction and capillary action, so cleaning performance depends on preserving the fiber structure. Wash used shower cloths in hot water with an effective detergent to remove oils, soap scum, and mineral deposits. Set your machine to at least 120 degrees Fahrenheit where possible, or the hottest safe setting for the cloth. Do not use fabric softeners or dryer sheets because they coat the fibers and block absorption. And skip bleach unless the product instructions explicitly allow it because bleach can break down fibers over time. Use a small amount of detergent and avoid mixing with lint shedding fabrics like cotton towels to prevent contamination. For stubborn residue, pre-soak the cloth in a solution of warm water and a quarter cup of white vinegar for 15 to 30 minutes, then launder normally to help dissolve mineral films. Air drying is preferred to preserve fiber loft, but if you must tumble dry, use a low heat setting and no dryer sheets. Common mistakes include washing with fabric softener, which reduces absorbency, so stop using softener and strip previously treated cloths by washing twice in hot water with detergent. Another issue is drying on high heat, which can melt or fuse fibers and shorten lifespan. Choose air dry or low heat tumble to maintain performance. People also throw microfiber in mixed loads with cotton towels, which transfers lint and reduces effectiveness. So wash microfiber separately or with other synthetics and remove lint sources before laundering. BigHomeProjects.com connects this kind of practical household know-how to local help by letting us find and contact contractors and cleaners who understand microfiber care and reuse practices. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, troubleshooting, and real-world experiences so our members can learn from each other.